Each tabletop features unique grain patterns and rich hues, making it a one-of-a-kind piece of furniture that becomes the focal point of your workspace, reflecting your individual taste and style. By selecting a natural wood-standing desk, made from renewable resources, you're making your contribution to reducing the carbon footprint and supporting the environment. Natural wood-standing desks are an ergonomic solution that boosts the way you work, promoting a healthier and more inspiring work atmosphere. Seamless setup and easy maintenance make these desks a staple of home and office workspace. Crafted from sturdy solid wood, these tabletops are highly durable and can withstand daily use without significant wear and tear. The combination of the durable wood base and the glossy epoxy layer results in a unique tabletop with captivating depth, vibrant colors, and a smooth, glass-like finish that elevates any space with a touch of modern elegance. Epoxy standing desks are not simply furniture. They are statements of style and individuality, each piece crafted to be as special as you are. The resin forms a protective layer over the solid wood, enhancing its resistance to scratches, stains, and heat. The resin cover also protects the wood against moisture damage such as warping, swelling, or rotting. Each tabletop made of solid wood has a distinctive character, making it an exceptional piece of furniture. Bring a touch of nature into your workspace and turn your every workday into an inspiring journey.